Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make Peter Pan in Infinity Craft. So what we can do is we can actually head over and put in here water. Now let's add another water in here and then let's merge them. We have now a lake. Now let's put that aside, and on this lake that we have, let's put this right here and then let's merge it. Now we have ocean. So for this ocean right here, let's put in here earth. And then on this earth right here, we just need to merge it in the ocean, then we have an island. Now let's put this aside for now. Let's put in here an earth. And on this earth right here, let's merge this island on that earth, and now we have a continent. So click on the lake right here and drag it around here, and then let's put continent on this lake, and now we have US America. Now let's put that above. Now let's put in here water, and let's put America on the water. Now we have freedom. Let's add water. On this water, let's add in here an island. And on this island right here, let's put this on the water. Now we have ship. Now for the ship right here, we have here these elements. So what we can do is we can head over and put in here an island again. And on this island, let's put in the ship. Now we have the pirate. Now for this pirate right here, let's put in here US America. Let's put the pirate in the US America. Now we have Captain America. So for this Captain America right here, you can just put this freedom just around here, or you can just put the pirate right here, and then let's put this on Captain America. Now we have Captain Hook. Let's put freedom right here. And then from in there, let's head over and see what to do next. Let's put in here an island, and let's put that on Captain Hook, and now we have Peter Pan. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!